Check. All right. I'm here with my brother Bobby. Bobby's also a Marine. I know you guys can't see me on camera yet. There I am. Bobby's also a Marine, and this is going to be awesome. You guys are going to see him stand up now. He's a Miami-Dade County firefighter. He does not have his no B equipment, but he does have his suit. What is that called?
Structural firefighting PPE.
Structural firefighting PPE, ladies and gentlemen. That's what we're doing here. All right. We got this fire going or no? No? What do we got, a flyby by the Coast Guard? Sounds like it. All right. Oh, no, it's not. I think we're good, bro. We really don't need that unless we're trying to get her in, but let's try to, just in case, get it going. Once we close that, we should get it going puffing it, right?
Oh, it's a puffer? I don't know how this thing works.
Yeah, you know, close it up, get some air, and then burn that. See? Come on, man, you know how fire works. All right, so we might not need that, though. Maybe we should, though. All right. I'm gonna have you hold that right underneath it, bro. They are on this right here. Okay. So, fuck this branch. We're gonna have to move this branch out the way with your hand.
You want? I can cut it. You want me to cut it?
No, no, let's not fuck the tree. Just get that underneath that. Okay. That's not gonna break. So the problem is, we might have to though.
I can cut it.
All right, cut it. I really don't want to fuck the tree up either, but. Oh, right there. Has to be there. Yeah.
Right here?
There. It's all right. As long as it doesn't hit that. All right. Now we're money. Fire went out. All right, you ready?
I guess.
Yep, there's only one time. Ready? 1, 2, 3. All right. Shake them off, shake them off. You're good. Shake them off. I'll smoke you now. Hold on. Yep, they're off of you already. That's it. Here, light this up. And puff it on you so that they go off of you. Let me show everybody what's going on. All right, check this out.
How do I open this?
They are in there right now. Most of them, I'm pretty sure the queen's in there. I haven't spotted her. I'll probably give this another shake right now. Where's the bucket? Yep, I think the queen's still here. Oh boy. That's perfect though. Watch out, watch out.
This is awesome. The Marine Corps, these straps weren't straight.
Oh, bro, yeah. It's all, you know, in the Marine Corps, a lot of shit happens in the Marine Corps, bro. That's stupid as fuck in regular life.
You could load up 200,000 rounds on a truck, but if that
ratchet
strap isn't straight,
yeah.
that shit off the truck with reloading.
Yeah.
That's why I tell people I didn't stay in the military.
So this is it, right? Let me make sure I'm recording. Hold on. Yep. All right. So check it out. This is only in Dade kind of stuff right here. I got Miami-Dade firefighter. My buddy Bobby Garcia helped me today. He called me. He said he had a swarm. We went ahead and I'm pretty sure we got the queen inside the box. I'm gonna come back tonight, and hopefully that whole entire swarm is in that box. But this is awesome. Thank you.